This is why you need to stay updated on Bollywood news. Govinda's life just took a dramatic turn. This isn't a movie plot, folks. Beloved actor Govinda has been accidentally shot in the leg and rushed to the hospital. The incident happened just hours ago, leaving fans in complete shock. Govinda was on set when the accident occurred, and the entire Bollywood community is in turmoil. The star is currently receiving medical treatment, and everyone is praying for his swift recovery. Stay tuned for more updates as we follow this developing story. Our thoughts are with Govinda and his family during this tough time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest news in Bollywood. Stay safe and stay informed.